Jelly, your dad. So we are in Fresno, California. We just finished installing Bradford White 50-gallon or 40-gallon natural gas water heater. You can see model number, serial number right here. Starting at the top, we gave you some new shut-off valves. The hot didn't drain down very well. Cold requires a shut-off valve, hot doesn't. We put one on in the event you have to service it in the future. You just shut them both off, so just quarter turn off, quarter turn on, so hot and cold. You got copper plumbing in the home, which is great, so that'll last a long time. Brass nipple in here to Falcon stainless steel connectors. These are 3/4 inch inside diameter, largest in the industry. Also from here, gave you a new vent 90 piece of pipe, another 90 for your venting, so that's a brand new vent there. Relief valve comes with it. This is temperature and pressure relief valve. In case something goes on, this will pop off and drain the exterior of the building through this stainless steel connector. Top third, we've got an adjustable strap, and the lower third adjustable strap. Give you a new gas valve as well, and a new gas connector right now. Water heater's lit, burner's going, so it'll be about 2 hours before you have hot water. Right there you can see scalding risk increases with hotter water, which means if you turn this up, you just need to be careful. Hot is approximately 120, which is where we have it. That's EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, recommends 120 for safety. CDC recommends B, 140. For sanitation purposes, you don't have bacteria growing in the tank. We leave it here, do what you want to do, but 120, you can't stand in full 120 hot water and take a shower anyways. Probably 110 to 115, or if you're my wife, 140. She likes her skin melting off. So anyways, leave it there. If you got to adjust it, that's fine, but we have to leave it there for liability purposes. If you have trouble in the home with hot water or the shower or a tub, it's kind of going back and forth, hot, warm, cold, and you can't get it to settle, it's probably not the water heater. It's brand new. It's probably going to be a cartridge in there, so don't come out here and keep cranking. We've come out here and it's been cranked up to 160, and it's very dangerous right here. So anyways, leave it there. Any troubles with the fixtures in the home, give us a holler. We're glad to come out and take a look at it. Outside of that, this installation is done.